How to save fuel with your Toyota AC. So let me show you how to enable this amazing feature. All you need to do is start by using the home screen, choose here menu and select setup. From list of setup, let's scroll down to see the vehicle and select the vehicle customization. Choose the second option, climate settings, and as you can see, you can enable here the efficient ventilation mode. Let's enable this feature right here, and these settings optimize the air conditioning and fan speed to reduce the load on the engine or battery without sacrificing your comfort. It's a small tweak for a more eco-friendly drive. So thank you for watching. Stay with us for more tips like this.